Alrighty guys, continuing on with this pen test here. Again, we are looking at mild liner collections, and we've already went through all the basic sets, and now we're going into these fun collections that Zebra has released, and this one is the Tropical collection. So let's see what colors are all involved in the Tropical set. So they start out with this yellow. So this is the yellow that we found in the fluorescent collection. It is a very bright neon, in-your-face yellow, the standard highlighter yellow. So that's the first one that we see in the Tropical set. Moving along, they've added in orange, and again, this is the orange that we found in the fluorescent set. It is, very orangey, very bright. But, I mean, it makes sense because, we are in the Tropical set. And again, guys, I had to get the gentle and the calm sets. I wanted to add those to my mild liners, and I came across these, and I had to. I was curious to see what's all included in them. So we're moving on into the citrus green, and again, it's a zesty, very bright, very cheerful green yellow. I love using citrus green when I'm doing doodles of vines and flowers and that. So it is just a nice, bright, cheerful green. Moving on to the original green, and again, this is one of the original OG mild liner colors. It is found in the cool and refined, and we can see it just has a nice, cooler, muted green tone than what is found in the citrus green. Moving right along, it looks like we have blue green, and this one again is found in the fluorescent collection. So it seems like somebody over at Zebra was like, look, we're just taking that fluorescent collection and we're just going to pair it with a bunch of other tropical themed colors, and we're going to make a tropical set. Which, was smart on Zebra's part. I will give them that. And look how gorgeous those colors look when you pair them next to each other, guys. So, moving on, we have the summer green. And again, I love this green. This one is found, I'm trying to think of who has this. I believe this is Refresh. So it's just a nice, bright aqua green, blue green, and it does really add a nice pop of green to the page. And next we have that fluorescent blue, and like I told you guys, it's almost like the whole fluorescent collection is in here, and yes, actually, now that I'm looking at it, it is. So, yes, fluorescents are definitely tropical. And, I mean, I will say that the blue does look nicely when you have it next to summer green. So, maybe the fluorescent colors aren't that bad when you do pair them to something a little bit more muted, a little bit not too in your face. And it looks like we are moving into cream. Which I guess, okay, yeah, like if you're doodling like coconuts and stuff, yeah, you would need the cream. So, again, that's not a color. Oh, I guess sand too. So if you're doing like a tropical beach scene, you would need the sand. Moving on, we got coral pink. And yeah, so it does actually start to give tropical vibes when you start to see them all together, and you can vision like your little doodles, or just even like bullet journal layouts. Using just this set alone would help you create many tropical themed, beachy themed, tropical themed. It does give you that nice, bright, cheerful, summery vibes. So last but not least is that pink that we saw back in the fluorescent set. And when you see all the fluorescents like side by side, it is kind of like too overpowering. But again, I will say once they started pairing these all together, like they do actually go together, guys. So it was kind of nice to see like how you can combine different colors from different sets and, you know, create different color palettes, different mood vibes. So that's it. If you're wondering what was included in that tropical collection, there you go. There's the colors that we found. And again, guys, I'm just going to close out and just say thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. And please remember to hit that like and subscribe button to see more playing with me's.